There's
right.
2.
So we had to do a little modification to get that grease fitting in and to get to that one so we could tighten it up back here. But everything's pretty much greased on this side.
These are greased, those are greased. That's greased.
Yeah.
I don't think I greased that guy yet.
And you still got to turn that other fitting, or is that just kind of
Which one?
the one in the front here?
It's tight. I greased it and then I tightened it up.
Gotcha.
So the next guy will have to loosen it to grease it.
All right.
Whoever that next guy is.
Yeah.
Got it.
I didn't want to leave it loose. Yeah, I got that one.
All right, so we got to do that. We'll put the hub on, or put the... Because Scotty's ready to put the... Are you going to show him how to pack? You going to show him how to pack?
Yes. Got it?
Yeah.
Get a glob.
Oh, there you put it?
Because it needs to go. And then you just keep
pushing it in? Oh, keep spinning it?
Yep. Keep spinning it between your fingers.
Scotty does it different than I do. I put the glob in my palm, and then I go with the back, and I work it like this.
Dude, my dad used to push it in the hole here.
That's how I do it. Similar.
Oh, okay.
And it's pushing out.
Oh, I see. It's
Look at
coming
that.
out.
There you go. So there's that
That
one.
one's ready.
This one's done?
Yeah, so just set that right there,
Okay.
Peter.
Where?
Right in there.
Inside the hole?
Put it in the hole.
This way?
Yep, put it in the hole, Peter. How's that side looking?
It's all fastened.
Oh, girl.
We're ready.
Take your hub and put it on.
Is this all done?
Yes.
Do we need to put the little cover on it?
Now,
Put this
one thing
in there.
before you do that, take your good hand, pull that back out. Now, take this and smear it all on the inside. Just this, the grease.
all this?
Yep.
Yeah.
Smear it all the way around in a circle.
There you go. Lube her up.
I'm good at that.
Oh,
That came out?
No, and
Did that come out?
talk about grease in the hole. Damn.
oh dear.
We're greasing the hole?
Reason why I say that is
Wait a minute.
you're gonna get spinach, where it just spins out of the bearing. I
Grease in
know
the
I didn't
hole.
say that right.
Yeah.
But
so
by
this-
having so much in there, it
Yeah.
constantly draws more in
yeah.
Is that
as
right?
it's going
the way I
around.
did it?
Yep,
Yeah, but
that-
you don't
that's-
want
that's
a
perfect.
shit ton either.
Oh, just because it pops in there?
Yeah, just set it in there.
It's not straight.
99.9% of
Right, so
bearings
put
I
that
do
in, and
have
then
always got extra.
does this matter which way, or is
It
it?
only goes one way.
No.
Wheel studs go out towards you.
Yeah. I mean, I was just wondering if like it doesn't matter. I guess not because it goes in a circle.
Don't knock your bearing off.
Oh dear.
Okay. Now
Is
go
that-
get...
Is that as far as it goes, or we got a hammer?
No, you can put it, you'll draw it
Oh,
in.
oh, with
Go
the-
get your little thing with the lock tab and put it
Yeah.
on. A little washer. Oh, Wick's on this side. Handling the biz. Hey, Scotty.
Sir.
Do you want to put that brake plate on the other side?
Oh, I see. It goes that goes like that.
Gotcha.
Then you nut it down,
It only takes 30 seconds for it to end up in your stomach?
and then that goes over it when we're done, right?
Yes.
It's a dinner of champions.
Yeah, that's usually about. There we go. So that side's coming along. Whoa! Wick, you're blowing shit all kinds of out of the side of it here.
Oh dear.
Yeah, look at that. That got extra excited.
You gave
Oh,
that
now
back.
it's all greasy. We're gonna get all this grease out now. Man, that was just all nice and clean, Wick.
For how many grease?
Grease with a automatic weapon.
So does this have to? I mean, this doesn't have to go crazy tight, right? I mean,
Yeah, but it's gonna have to go in
Yeah,
quite a bit to
yeah.
draw this in. So draw it in and then you back it off of here. You don't even worry about that. You can tighten that up.
yeah, he's getting the wrench for me.